Pajama Party! Welcome to Pajama Party. Oh. Say hi to my vlog. Yan ang inanak kong isa.
Hi!
Napawis na pawis.
Flower base yan.
Oh, may gusto sa gusto tayo. Ilagay mo lang dyan. Ayan si Langka. Oh, nakapajama din siya. Ayan. Say hi, Win!
Mas maganda yung kanina.
Mama, Papa is
Ayan ang aming ano. Papakita ko yung decorations namin. Ayan ang aming decorations. Let's party. At si Pastor, oh, naglilinis pa siya. Ayan yung mga bata. Hello guys. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, Bumadi.
Inanak ko yan. Inanak ko yun. Inanak ko din yan. Makikialam na mo. Ayan si Manang. Everybody is in their pajamas. I will take picture of you guys. Picture, picture. Look at me guys. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Picture, picture. You will see your face on my Facebook. Good job. Good job. Yay. Party in 5 minutes now guys. Party in 5 minutes. Nakakagulo sila. Ayan. Everybody's coming. Anong aming MC.
We want to thank everyone for coming. We want to acknowledge the presence of our visitors. We have visitors in the back. So this party is open not just for choir members, but also for the family members. So family members, si Pastor na hindi kaya invited siya. So thank you, Pastor, for coming. So let's welcome everyone.
For sharing all your talents throughout the years, especially to the young ones who are tirelessly practicing every Sunday, every weekend. You're supposed to be somewhere, but you chose to be here. I hope that's your number one priority as well, and you continue to serve God through your talents. And to those choir members, I hope you're not going to retire on music ministry as well. Keep serving on God, whoever is
No
here.
retirement ka.
No retirement sa ministry. Thank you so much, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this afternoon.
Kain na. Kumain ako sa
Kain na!
Saka kami sa kitchen
na.
ng
It's eating time.
wala nang pila oh.
I know, walang pila na kain na.
Pila.
Eating time. Tapos ang plato ko, ang dami. Oh, ang plato ko. Yan ang plato ko, 3 plato ko. Busy eating. Dessert time. Masarap yung dessert. Bake daw ni ano, na-bake ni Dorcas. Binake ni Dorcas.
Okay, let's hear the song once again, okay?
Ang inaasahan niya.
Sabi ko sa focus na!
Timing kasi yan eh. I-improve niya raw yung ano. Yan yan. Timing niya. Ah! Sisiw na sa kanya.
Kinabahan. Janus.
Ah, si direct na, direct.
Kinabahan.
From this song na to, I don't know this song.
Portion. That's right, easy.
Ano nakuha niya?
Ayun yung isang...
Almost siya, di ba?
Rian.
Rian, go Rian!
I'll say Alex again.
4 seconds. Wala na sila pakialam sa minutes.
Parang nauna. Nauna ba? Parang seconds lang, second.
Nakabahan.
Try ko ah.
Okay na go. Ano yung pasabi natin? Kinabahan.
Si ano?
The gift, unwrap it. So if you look at the gift, it has a lot of tapes. So you have to try to open it. And then, but when you're opening it, you have to wear the nets, okay? So make it harder. So start to
Magda-dice yan. Pag mag-double ang dice niya, kukunin niya yung gift. Pero pag ano yung... Pero meron siyang gloves sa kanyang gift. Wrapping, kaya unwrapping. Mahirap! Ay, kunin niya! May gift daw sa loob na kailangan nila.
Okay, I will try to read a bit.
Ibagsak mo siya! Ibagsak mo siya! Bagsak mo siya! Yan!
If you can, touch it. Ay, okay. Yeah.
Ano, Pastor? Mahirap ba?
Mahirap ba gusto? It's my turn. You wanna play? Okay, sure. You can play.
Si Easy na oh, si Easy.
Siguro merong ano mix dyan. Ano ba?
Malapit na eh. May naka-open na eh.
Okay, players, are you ready? When the music stops, try to get out of the driveway. If you get caught and you're the last one, then you're eliminated. Audience, impact sa harap. Easy guys, sit down.
Oh, out si Rian. Out si Rian.
Okay, continue. Basta sumasayaw po yan, sir. Fundamentalist po sila. Dance daw, dance! Okay na lang dance. Sige! Mami, out. Thunders for the win.
Sayang talaga. Umalis na.
Okay, one out. Okay, go. 4 of you remaining. Huwag ka na lumabas.
Retract now.
Ay, happy to
Hold,
Papa.
hold. For those who are happy with their gift, you may now open. If you're happy with your gift, Miss Tornoria, tsaka si mama niya. Wow! Wow! Mr. Coffee! Rice cooker! Wow!
Ay, ang cute naman nun! Si Noriel at saka si ano may rice cooker!
Durog na yung laman yan.
Hawak mo muna, Winter, kasi wala kang ano. Hawak mo.
You have to move. You have to move.
Wait. Play. Pass, pass.
Wait, nobody. Someone's not holding anything.
Hold. Hold. Whoever's happy can open. Okay, get ready. Inaamoy kasi eh. Ano bang may amoy ba yan? Let's see from Jedrick and Aaron.
Open ice
Wow! Oh, maganda yan. I like that one.
Mapera kami.
Thank you, thank you.
Kasi mayaman, president's choice.
Wait, wait.
Wala, binuksan na niya yung kanta niya.
Tapos ka na, right? Umalis ka na.
Open your eyes.
Pass.
Anak, dito sa loob, Jen.
Hold. Okay, open now. Whoever to.
Okay, open na daw.
Open na daw, Win. Open na daw. Whatever you got.
Alright, open.
Open now, open now, open now, open now. Open now.
Everybody open.
Everybody open it. Everybody open it.
Yeah, yeah.
Hindi pang masaya sila. Gusto pa nila magpatulog.
Wow.
I like that one.
Ate Erica.
Bigay mo sa inyo lang. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Pambalot yata eh.
Pambalot yan. Maganda ang nakuha namin, oh.
Hintayin mo, may babae ka. Darating na. May babae kang ako. Yeah, I told you, Erica, that's mine.
Ayaw ni Daniel, oh. Ayaw ni Daniel. Ayaw ni Daniel.
Ganyan din ako. Ganyan pala na tayo, ganyan.
Nagkagulo sila sa kanilang gipo.